The E13 error code on a washing machine typically indicates a water draining issue. This problem can be caused by a blocked drain pump filter or a clogged drain pump. To fix the issue, start by cleaning the clogged drain pump filter. First, unplug the washing machine to avoid any accidents. Then, remove the front cover, usually located at the lower right corner, and check if the filter is clogged. If it is, use running water and a soft brush to clean it, making sure to remove all debris. Once the filter is clean, replace the front cover and plug the machine back in. If the issue persists, inspect the drain pump, which is usually located at the bottom of the machine. Remove any foreign objects that may be blocking it, and then plug the machine back in and run a test cycle to see if the problem has been resolved. If the error code remains, it may be necessary to contact a professional for further assistance.